Good day everyone. In today's video we're going to address another circle theorem, and it states that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180 degrees. What is a quadrilateral? It's a four-sided shape. So a cyclic quadrilateral is any quadrilateral which can be drawn with all four vertices touching a circle. Here's an example. Here is a circle. So we're going to have the quadrilateral, the four-sided shape. Inside the circle, each vertices touching the circle. So here's the first vertex. We can label that as A, the second vertex as B, the third vertex as C, the fourth vertex as C. So this is a quadrilateral, a cyclic quadrilateral. If we have this angle to be A and this angle to be B, what the rule is saying is that, what the theorem is saying is that A plus B equals to 180 degrees. You know, A is opposite to angle B. Angle B is also opposite to angle A. So if we label this as X and we label this as Y, what the rule is saying is that X plus Y is equals to 180 degrees. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sums up to 180 degrees. Now let's take some exercises. In this example, K is opposite to 2K and we have a cyclic quadrilateral. So according to our theorem, sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So K plus 2K is equals to 180 degrees. So this is 3K equals to 180. Divide both sides by 3, and we're going to have K equals to 180 divided by 3, and this is actually 60 degrees. Okay, now for the second one, 3M is opposite to 2M. So we're going to add up the two. Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral equals to 180 degrees. So 3M plus 2M is equals to 180 degrees. So this is 5M equals to 180. Divide both sides by 5, and we're going to have M is equals to 180 divided by 5. So M is equals to 36 degrees. In this example, we have two cyclic quadrilaterals, and let's trace out the first one. Just follow my red ink. Now, going by my red ink, the cyclic quadrilateral is very obvious. So we have 102 degrees is opposite to angle B. So sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to 180 degrees. So we'll subtract 102 from both sides of the equation. And what are we going to have? This will give us 0. B is equals to 180 negative 102, and that's going to give us 78 degrees. So we can use another theorem here, and the theorem states that angles in the same segment subtended by the same arc are the same. So if you look at this arc, follow my blue ink. So this arc actually subtend angle B, and that same arc subtend angle A. Good. So angle A is equals to angle B. Angles in the same segment subtended by the same arc are the same. If B is equals to 78 degrees, A is equals to 78 degrees. You can check out a link to a video on this theorem. Angles in the same segment subtended by the same arc are equal. A link to that video is in the description below. Let's proceed to the third example. In this exercise, there are two cyclic quadrilaterals here. So I'm going to trace out the first one for us to see. Alright, considering the green cyclic quadrilateral, we can find P. So P is opposite 49. So P plus 49 is equals to 180 degrees. So these agrees with the theorem we are considering. So subtract 49 from both sides of the equation. So our P is equals to, this is 0, 180 negative 49, and that's going to give us 131 degrees for P. Now if you look at R is also opposite to 89. So the sum of R and 89 degrees is going to give us 180 degrees. So R plus 89 equals to 180. Subtract 89 from both sides of the equation. So R is 180 negative 89. So R is going to give us 91 degrees. So this is 131, 131, and this is 91 degrees. Now let's consider the second cyclic quadrilateral. So this time around I'm going to use a blue ink to do that, to trace it out. So my blue ink. Alright, considering the blue cyclic quadrilateral, you will agree with me that P is opposite M, and P is 131. So 131 plus M is equals to 180 degrees. So M, we subtract 131 from both sides of the equation, and M is going to give us, this is 0, 180 negative 131, and that is going to give us 49 degrees. So M is actually 49 degrees. So let's put 49 here. Alright, so we want to look for S. So follow my black ink. Now, you see the sum of 89 and S is opposite to 36 degrees. The 36 degrees is in blue ink. So 89 plus S is opposite 36. So plus 36, and that's going to sum up to 180 degrees. So S is equals to 180 negative 89 negative 36. So S is going to give us 55 degrees. Thank you so much guys for seeing my video.